we'll study about the regulatory authorities. Basically, drug important role for health and all benefit. So drugs are available for the large number of sources. Now the s- government should spend basically money for the safety and efficacy of the drug. That's why they had like proper supervision of production, development, import and export of the drug is required. So government has made the regulatory authorities that have various functions such as and roles like production register maintain करना and regulation of the drug. These are the basically ADR monitoring, licensing and premises of the person. Its goal is safety, efficacy, quality checking of the drug to the public is safe or not. Now, regulation of India has basically herbal drug are regulated involving drug and cosmetic acts. In 1940 and Rule 1945, the regulatory provisions for the Ayurveda, Siddha and Unani also made. Now, Department of Ayush is the regulatory authority and mandates the basically mandates the any manufacturing of marketing of herbal drug have to be done after obtaining manufacturing license. Any marketing anything of the Ayush drug is done only by manufacturing license, only if they have manufacturing license. Now a DNC Act extended and control over the licensee formulation and composition information labeling. Now these also composition labeling formulation, these are also uh, comes under the supervision when a DNC Act is extended. Now, Schedule T drug acts lay down good manufacturing practices as we know. Now, in 1959, Indian government amended DNC Act and includes the drug that are being derived from the traditional. They had included the drug that has been derived from the traditional Indian medicines. They also need the license for their manufacturing and marketing. Now, the drug advisory board, basically it is formed under DNC Act, and these are the basically members of Ayush DTAB. Their activity and responsibilities are this, that they have to advise and mandate the regulation of the drug basically their nomination occur every after 3 years, and they are eligible for renomination, and the board may subject the previous approval of the central government as well for regulation.